Hello everyone, I am Kazi Mahmudul Hassan Khadim from Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, North South University. Today, I will show you the experiment is determination of angularity number. Now, what is angularity number test? Angularity number test gives us an idea of how angular the aggregate is. This is based on the percentage of voids in the aggregate after compacting in a specified manner. Now, what is angularity and what is angularity number? Angularity is the absence of roundness in aggregates. A more rounded aggregate particle has less angularity, and angularity number of aggregate is the amount a whole number by which the percentage of volume of voids in after compaction in prescribed method exceed 33, where 33 is the percentage of volume of voids in a perfectly rounded aggregate. The angularity number ranges from 0 to about 12. Angularity number 12 indicates the most angular aggregate that would be used for making concrete. Now, I will show you the required apparatus for this test. Test sieves. This is 20 mm, this is 14 mm, 10 mm, 6.30 mm, 5 mm, and the last one is pen. A balance machine of capacity 10 kg, accurate to 1. A metal cylinder. A metal tamping rod, 16 mm in dia and 600 mm long, width of circular cross section. Now I will start the experiment. Now sieve the aggregates. The aggregate to be tested shall be dried for at least 24 hours in shallow trays in a oil ventilated oven at temperature of 105 plus minus 50 degrees Celsius. Then cooled it in airtight container and tested. The aggregate sample is now filled in the metal cylinder in 3 layers, each layer being tamped 100 times with a tamping rod. Now measure the weight of only aggregate. The weight is 5779, which is capital W. Now measure the weight of water, only water. The weight of water is 3326, which is small w. Here, weight of the aggregate filled in the cylinder capital W is 5779 grams, and the weight of the water filled in the cylinder small w is 3326 grams and the specific gravity of the aggregate capital G is 2.7. Angularity number is determined as follows. The equation of angularity number is 67 minus capital W into 100 divided by small w into G equal to 67 minus 5779 into 100 divided by 3326 into 2.7 equal to 2.64. The angularity number shall be reported to the nearest whole number equal to 3. The normal aggregate which are suitable for making concrete may have the angularity number anything from 0 to 12. Angularity number 12 indicates the most angular aggregate that could be used for making concrete. Thank you everyone for watching this experiment video.